office. So I'm going to show you my office room tour. Come in. It's messy. For real. I haven't had a chance to clean it. So come on. Hi. So welcome here. It's a little bit messy. I've been, teaching in this room for probably over a year now, since September. And I organized this space because I spend the majority of my time here. I wake up at like 5 a.m. and I'm here till like 11. Then I try to go outside, enjoy the nature. Then I have to come back here and teach again from like 5 to 7-ish. So it's not too bad. It's I get the sun coming in every morning, and yeah, this is where all my ideas come from. I usually blog here, and I usually write my reports. I communicate with friends, family, coworkers, everything. So this is where the magic happens. I just wanted to show this map. It's like an inspiration of like places I want to go to. I mean, these are all dreams. I'm not sure if I can make it to most of these countries. I already have, thankfully, made it to several countries. I want to explore more of maybe South America, Africa, and Asia. I think those are like the three continents. Oh, I don't know how to count that I haven't really thoroughly explored. So that is my dream. I have it right behind my my computer when I'm teaching, right over there. So yes, this place is a mess. I'm going to be cleaning it up soon. Hi, so, my head's going to be cutted off, so I have to go like this. So that concludes my room tour. Thanks for viewing. I hope you have a splendid day, and see you in the next one. Bye.